up? It's your girl Simone Sharice and welcome to my Fix Your Frontal Lace series. Today in this video, first, if you don't know what my Fix Your Frontal Lace series is about, it's pretty much if you've ever tried to make your wig look poppin' and you messed it up, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So we're going to be doing a lot of topics. Today, I'm showing you guys how to fix a hole in your frontal. So if you've ever been plucking like a maniac, plucking very crazy, and you've gotten a hole, or maybe you pulled your lace, or maybe your lace is just old, okay? I'm going to show you guys how to fix that hole without it being noticeable. So let's go ahead and get started on the tutorial. Alright, so this is the frontal that I'm going to be working with, okay? And it's going to kill me because I'm going to actually cut a little hole in it just to show you guys. And, but we're going to fix it, so let's go ahead. Here's the frontal, right? And let's say you've been plucking, so you might have gotten a hole, let's say right here. Okay, so let's say you have these two holes right here, right? Ew, looks like rat bites. We don't want these holes right here, okay? It's just annoying to see, and you don't really want that. You want it to be flawless. You want it to look really good, and who wants holes in their lace, right? So the number one tool that I'm gonna use is this clear string, and it's pretty much a what is this? A fishing hook? Fishing string. String for going fishing. I've never been fishing before, but that's what the lady at Joanne said. It's this clear string right here. It has no color. It's clear, okay? It does pop a little bit easy, so don't go all nuts with it. And I'm gonna go ahead and just use this needle. What you wanna do is put the lime in the coconut, put the string in the needle, pull it through, okay? Have a good length. You don't need it to be too long because you're not gonna be doing OD sewing. Cut. And I usually thread my needles by wrapping it around my finger and then rolling, but you cannot do this with this string. So I'm just gonna have to go ahead and knot it. So this is how it looks at the end. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. This is how it looks. We're sewing these this side to this side, okay? So this side to this side. So what I like to do is just go through the lace like this. So right now, this is where I'm at after sewing it a couple of times. You don't want to pull too hard because you don't want it to pleat like that. But you don't want it to pleat, so you don't want to pull too hard. But you can pull it apart a little bit if you have pleated it. Don't worry, you're not going to cause any more damage. And you kind of can't see that from the other side anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and put one more loop. Alright, so this is where we're at. Okay, don't pull too tight. You don't want to pop the thread. Remember, it's very fragile. And then I'm just going to cut the string and then just tie this 3 times. Alright, so this is what I'm left with. This is what I'm left with right here. You can barely see this, guys. It literally looks like clear string. I mean, usually on a regular day, it would be more neater. But right now, this is what it's gonna be for the video. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering, how does it look on the other side? So, if I make a little part, so this is how the other side looks. Let's go really close up. So this is how it looks on the other side. So if we were to part down the middle, I mean, clearly you can see I sewed through the hair, but if I was doing this on a wig head, I wouldn't have sewn through the hair. But you can barely see this, guys. Look at it from a mile away. Tell me you can't see that, because if you say you can see it, you're lying. And then this is how it looks on the other side. Alright guys, so that was the end of that tutorial, and I hope you guys took some valuable information from that. I mean, it might seem like, I'm telling you, it works, because there's times where you over pluck and you will get little holes in your wig. So to me, that's been my method of fixing it, because what other way you're gonna fix it? And I don't like to use black thread because sometimes the black thread will show if you do part right there, whereas the clear thread, you don't see that. Trust me, you don't see it at all. So I do that all the time, especially when I mess up by an accident and I'm like, oh shit, like what am I gonna do now? So for me, it works. I hope this method works for you guys. This you can get from Amazon. It's really inexpensive. It's like what, $2 I think. So it helped a lot. It helped me a lot. I've used this for a lot of times. I've made mistakes. So if you made a mistake, I hope this video came right in time for you. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions or have any issues with your frontal or your lace or anything lace related, let me know down below and I can make a video on it. So thank you guys for watching the Fix Your Lace series. Bye guys.